Hey everybody, Dr. Jen here. Just wanted to quickly give you guys a new little update that we have. I'm going to be sending something out below for you guys to check out. Anybody who's concerned that they're sending their kids back off to college, if you're not doing the gap year thing, or even if you are, we have found an incredible opportunity to share some information regarding how to keep you guys safe, how to keep you healthy, how to make sure that your rooms and your environments are as clean as they possibly can. So those of you who did look through all the way down to the previous newsletter that we had, you saw that we just enlisted Vollara, which is the #1 air purification system used by NASA technology. They actually use it with the Liberty Bell to keep it from being oxidized, and it's the same technology, helps with smoke, mold, fungus, bacteria, viruses, mildew, pet dander, allergies. It's really a home run for any kind of purification system, and it's very convenient in a small box. So we just found out that they actually have some that are available to for more mobile devices, whether that's an RV, whether that's a dorm room, whether it's a car, and they run only $299. So a much better price point for those of you who want something but really can't afford the $1,200 of the large Vollara Pro air purification system that we actually have in the office, which is keeping all of you guys safe. So check out the stuff below. There's some information for you, and if you're interested, I will leave a link for you guys to check out. Okay, I'm so happy you guys have been calling. Very excited to be back in the office, and keep the calls coming, and we'll keep helping you guys as fast as we can. Thanks so much. Stay safe.